Man, it's so muddy. Man, it's so muddy. Hi guys. So much fun. I wish I can go really fast and get dirty, but I didn't bring a change of clothes, so I will not be getting dirty. Supposedly I think we're gonna go up there, so stopping here for now. We're going up this chocolate hill. The view should be really good from once we reach the top. That is not even all the way at the top yet. The view is looking really good already. Man, literally, it's not even been 5 minutes yet. I'm already out of breath. This is how steep it is. Very steep. More up to go. Alright, right now. So this place is called the Chocolate Hill, and Mirga was just explaining to me that the reason why they call it Chocolate Hill is because when it rains, the rain looks like chocolate.
No, the hills.
Oh, okay. The hills looks like chocolate, so it's why. So this is why. Yes, I'm out of breath. This is quite a hike. So I was saying, the reason why they call it Chocolate Hill is because when it rains, the fields look like chocolate. So that's why they call it Chocolate Hill. Oh look, there's one house right there. I'm not sure if you can see my sweat, but I am sweating. My shirt. It's hot. Ah. And it's picture time, of course, with this great view. You gotta take pictures.
Tapos, ano, magharap kayo, magtalikod kayo, ma'am. Ako yun, nabasahin.
Ah, this bad lighting.
Yung ma'am, malapit na po tayong mahimatay.
We are here at toTasier conservation area. The reason why I'm talking so low is because these animals get stressed really easily, and when they do, they kill themselves. So it's important that we stay really quiet. There's one of them right there. There's my hand. So I actually thought these animals were bigger, but after I see them, they're about like this big. They're so cute. They're sleeping. There's another one right here.
Dito po, 4.
That's it? All this coconut water that we have drank, I feel like compared to this, it's totally different. Right?
Yeah.
I thought it would taste more nutty because this is the real one. Whereas when we drink the coconut water, yeah, and it's like more nutty, but this doesn't taste nutty. It's good. Who want to eat the other side? Who want to eat the other side?
No, eat that. Eat this first. That's meat. This is meatier.
Oh. Yeah, it's not sweet. It's just like jelly. But it's I don't know. The struggle of taking picture on this road.
Mais bem hair ko sir. Ayos na ayos eh.
Car. Both ways.
Mirror ka na and then. Mom.
Oh my god. I do not like snakes, but for the first time I'm gonna touch it. Cute?
Burmese? No, that's your.
This is Burmese python?
Yes.
Oh, that's from
This breed, sir, this is a Burmese
Oh
python.
my
The young
god,
is
bro.
albino python.
Okay, that's how it feels? Oh wait.
Sir, parang ako. Akala ko totoo na.
This is the Burmese python?
Yes, that one. The Burmese.
Oh, it's moving. Thank you.
This one, do you like to put in your lap?
No.
Auntie na.
Let's go.
Okay, for today's video, we have some lap. Okay.
No. Thank you.
Kuya, ano po name?
Ma'am, mas maganda tignan pag walang face mask, ma'am.
Sorry.
Oh my God. This is so very amazing. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
What is it doing in the Philippines?
Kuya, what are you doing? Sorry po.
Oh!
God. Kuya, lapit sa
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, buhay ma'am, buhay yan, buhay.
1, 2, 3.
Kuya, bumababa na.
Waki, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's moving.
Advised long daw.
Ano? Okay.
Okay, Yoko.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was an experience.
Isa daw.
Sheesh. Merga is doing it alone. She crazy.
Oh my God.
Okay, Merga.
1, 2, 3. That is so very dangerous monkey. Yes.
That's a real snake, but it died. It's lunchtime.
Everyone, and welcome aboard Verde Floating Resto. By the way, I'm Alex, I'm your entertainer on board, so allow me to serenade you our cruise in. So enjoy your meals and enjoy our cruise, and once again, welcome to Bohol.